Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to look at your person's current feelings towards you and what is going to be their next step in regards with this relationship towards you. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you want to book an appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. Alright, so let's get started with your reading now. For my Pisces and their person, what's going on for my Pisces and their person? Okay. Alright, so let's see what are their current feelings towards you, my dear Pisces. So we have the Five of Swords. So whatever decision they have taken towards you, it is a very unwise choice and unwise decision, I would say. Strong betrayal energies. You have to check this person's energies because this person is very tricky. You know, they trick people, and you have to, the suggestion for you with this card is to avoid these kind of people, because it comes towards me, this person is really strong tricking energies. I would tell you that, you know, there are other ways, there are other people who can make you happier than them. So I think towards you, their energies are not very positive with this Five of Swords card. What are your energies towards them, what they think? Okay, this is not your exact energies, but what they feel. They feel that you have just gone over them, you know. Ten of Swords energy. They feel that you have also no likes towards them, you do not love them enough, you have other things in your life, and this thing actually brings a lot of sadness. So that is why they feel that you are happy without them, and that is what they are thinking. Okay, this is a strong ending energy, I would tell you. Okay, the obstacle in this relationship, Ten of Cups. So this can be a marriage, this can be a marriage from your side. You might be married to with each other or to some other people, respectively. So this can be a thing, but that is why, you know, they are not showing. I feel that this person might be married to someone else, and you are married, either you are single or you are married to someone else, and that is why this person is more inclined towards his or her family than with you, and that is the reason you are feeling that you are being used. That kind of a feeling you might get, because this person is very cunning, strong cunning energy. See how these people are just playing, you know, they are gambling, and this person is so happy and they have just lost. So this is strong gambling, strong negative energies are coming up in this card. Okay, so what are their actions, next actions? The Moon. See, I was just telling the strong negative energies, and with the Moon, it's like that they're hiding something. They are very hideous in nature. They are definitely hiding something from you, and they will not even tell you. And if you are thinking that they will take a decision, they will take a step towards you, towards this relationship, then you are wrong. They are not going to do it. They might say you because they are very good at words, but when it comes to actions, they are not going to show any actions to you. Okay, so what is the energies from the current, the action taking from your side? Six of Pentacles. I think you're already giving them enough love. Six of Pentacles, strong, generous energies when you give and give and give love. But when it comes to receiving, no. A person does not, you know, get the same kind of love. So this is a give and take relationship. If you are offering them love, you also want that kind of love back to you. So, but yeah, you are not getting it. Okay, we are going to clarify all these cards. Final outcome of this situation, Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is telling me that you are in a place where this final outcome with this relationship is not something you both together will end up. This is a very lone energy, I would say, because Ace of Pentacles is a new beginning, And new beginnings with the 10 of swords from your end, with the endings. They think that you have also ended with some, either you have ended with your family or you have ended with this person. So there is a strong energy of you ending something, okay, but with whom, that we will check what exactly is this thing. And you are entering into something new, so either it's you, either it's them. So this is a definite new beginning, or it can also mean that if you both are not married to each other, or if you both are going to, somebody is going to get married. So it can be you, it can be them, somebody is. And that is the problem, that is the issue, because you want that please take some action, I'm leaving home, take some actions, but they are not ready to take any actions towards this relationship. You want stability, but they are not ready to offer you one. Okay, so the overall energy of this reading is, of this love relationship, is the Two of Cups. So you both have fallen in love, a very strong soulmate energy is here, but let me clarify what exactly this Two of Cups, why is Two of Cups is here. Four of Swords is here, and the Chariot. So yes, strongly this somebody is actually moving towards something, you know, either it's you or it's them. Somebody is moving towards some other relationship, and that is actually affecting the other person. If it's them who are going towards some other people, some other relationship, or they are going to get married to someone else, or they are just they are already married to someone and they are not showing anything, any infatuation, any care towards you. So yes, this is that person, and this is bringing you so much of sadness and loneliness. That is what you are experiencing. Strong mental exhaustion is coming up, strong, you know, there is a lack of sleep also which is coming up. So you are not even taking good sleep, because the Ten of Swords is in your energy. It has come from the Nine of Swords energy. Sleep is, you are not getting a lot of sleep because of this person. Let's see why the Five of Swords is here in their energies. Five of Pentacles. See, they are the ones who have left. So strong energies of leaving someone, taking, you know, this person is very selfish. That is what is coming up. A strong selfish energy from this person towards you, whatever or for how much time they were with you. It is just showing me strong selfishness, and it is showing me that this person is this person only needs attention. Okay, they only need attention, they want everything, but they are not ready to give anything to you. If you are giving them love, they do not want to give back that love. What else we have? Five of Pentacles, Five of Swords. What else do we have for this person? The World card. See, they are done with this relationship. They are already done. They are moving towards the completion. They want freedom from this relationship, and that is what is coming up. Why the Ten of Swords is there in your energies? Why the Ten of Swords is there in your energies towards this person? They feel that yes, you will be always available to them. You will always make them feel so happy. It's like a wish coming true. It's like a wish. They are like your wish, and they know that you will just get them whenever you will need. The Lovers, see, they think that you love them a lot. They totally know that a lot. Five of Cups is also here. They know that you are going to miss them. They know that you are the one who are going to contact them, because strong Cups energies are coming in your energy, in your cards, because you are the one who were more stable in this relationship, and that is why you wanted stability only. What is the obstacle with the Ten of Cups? Why the Ten of Cups is here as obstacle? Ego. Ten of Cups with the ego energy. This is a person who is very strong and who is very selfish. With the ego energy, I always get that strong unhealthy habit. So this person has a tendency of of dragging those people who are very very innocent and like you only. This person is like, you know, they have just trapped you, and that is why you are feeling that trapped energy and you want to be free. I really get that energy, Pisces, that you want to be free from this person but you are not able to, because it's like a trap. See, release, ego and release. So that trap energy, you have to have those. If you are going towards these endings with the 10 of swords, you have to understand that you have to end up all this. Sorry. Why the moon card is there in their energy? Three of swords. Their steps, the wheel of fortune with the three of swords with the moon, they are very hideous in nature. They do know what they are going to do. They know that whatever they are going to take the step, whether they will take the step towards this relationship or not, they know that they are not going to take it. But with their words, it's looking that you are feeling that, wow, this is the time, this is the person of my dreams. But no, this is not the person. Just be ready to get that heartache in you, because this is the strong heartbreak energy. If they have not done yet, they are, just be prepared, because they are not going to take this relationship for too long. They have other things, they have other people, other opportunities, you know, coming up in front of them. So that is why I don't see that this person is going to stay with you forever. Six of Pentacles, why is this in your energies? Three of Cups, you have find happiness, you have find a friend, you are very passionate with this person, you are very loving with this person, you want to celebrate your every success with this person. You are the one who is more romantic, you are the one who always falls in love with this person, but they are not the ones, okay? They are not the ones. Why the Ace of Pentacles is here in the overall outcome? Ten of Pentacles. See, you want the happiness, but with this ego, with this person who is only thinking about you from his stoic mind, you know, that mind which is the feeling where this person is not emotionally available for you. This person is never going to be emotionally available. You will be always trying to wait. You will be the person who will be waiting for their messages, who will be waiting for their calls. But no, do not expect a lot of emotions from this person, because this person is not going to give you some emotions. No, I don't think that. Queen of Swords. See, this person has only and only heartbreaks to give you, nothing else than that. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Pisces. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.